So currently in mining, we provide enterprise solutions for the entire life cycle of a mine, where we have various solutions available for, let's say, exploration of a mine, then planning the mine, and creating the blast hole patterns to, understand where we have to mine and all. And we don't just stop there. We also provide analytics to various products of mine, so which helps the mine managers and the operators there to get it helps them to take informed decisions based on those insights. It's not only about numbers and algorithms. We try to give a tangible solutions for real world. The biggest challenge in a mining industry is the safety of the operators working there. So we also have various solutions which make sure that the whole operation is safe and sustainable. So we have products like CAS, where we understand the where if any collision is about to happen, so we raise alarms. And we have vehicle intervention systems, where we, if let's say the operator is dozed off due to fatigue or all, so the vehicle intervention system will intervene and, let's say, apply brakes. So we have combination of hardware and software for the whole operation of the mines. So hardwares like reality capture solutions or those total stations, it helps to scan the mine and understand where the deposits of minerals are, or which is the viable area which can be mined. And then we have a couple of softwares which help us to plan that whole operation better. We have softwares like fleet management and the mine plan, where we can where those softwares enable us to plan our whole operation, not only for short period of time but even for long period of times. As you know, the mines are as old as even 80 years or 100 years.